Are you ready to make your Amazon business more sustainable? In today's video, I'll share eco-friendly packaging ideas for Amazon sellers to help reduce waste, lower costs, and build a more responsible brand. Let's get started. First, let's talk about why eco-friendly packaging is so important. Did you know that packaging waste makes up a significant portion of global pollution? 1. Reduce environmental impact. 2. Attract eco-conscious customers. 3. Lower shipping and material costs. Plus, Amazon customers are increasingly looking for brands that prioritize sustainability. So, let's explore some packaging ideas that can make a big difference. One of the easiest swaps is using biodegradable packaging materials. These materials break down naturally, leaving no harmful waste behind. Here are some great options. 1. Biodegradable mailers. Perfect for small products and easy to recycle. 2. Compostable packing peanuts. A great alternative to styrofoam that dissolves in water. 3. Recyclable tissue paper. Ideal for adding a branded, eco-friendly touch. Not only are these materials better for the environment, but they also resonate with customers who care about sustainability. Next, consider using recycled or reusable materials. These are easily available and cost-effective. 1. Recycled cardboard boxes by providing cardboard boxes and containers with sturdy and made from post-consumer waste. 2. Kraft paper, a versatile and recyclable alternative to plastic bubble wrap. 3. Reusable packaging. Encourage customers to reuse your packaging by designing durable and stylish materials. This simple step can help reduce your environmental footprint and encourage a circular economy. One of the easiest ways to go eco-friendly is by minimizing excess packaging. 1. Custom-sized boxes to eliminate wasted space. 2. Minimal inserts to avoid unnecessary materials. 3. Flat-packed designs for compact shipping. Eco-friendly doesn't have to mean boring. Use your packaging as an opportunity to tell your brand's story. 1. Add a message like, "This package is 100% recyclable." 2. Use soy-based inks for printing on your boxes. 3. Include a small card encouraging customers to recycle or compost your packaging. For those wanting to go the extra mile, explore innovative packaging solutions. 1. Mushroom packaging. Made from mycelium, it's fully biodegradable. 2. Plantable packaging. Customers can plant it and it grows into flowers or herbs. 3. Cornstarch-based packaging. An excellent alternative to traditional plastics. These creative options leave a lasting impression and set your brand apart. Now it's your turn to make a difference. By incorporating these eco-friendly packaging ideas, you can reduce waste, lower costs, and build a brand your customers will love. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more Amazon seller tips.